What's up guys, Andrew here once again with another video about dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace in the UK. So this is just a quick video basically answering a question which I get asked every now and again, which is how to raise the amount of listings you can list onto your Facebook Marketplace account at any one given time. Now most people don't need to worry about this. Most people can list however much they want. Most people, there is no listing limit. But some people there is a listing limit, and that's generally only the case with new accounts, new Facebook accounts. And so the reason Facebook has these listing limits on brand new accounts, you can probably imagine, Facebook doesn't want random people going onto Facebook Marketplace, listing items, doing just kind of weird, scammy, dodgy shit. You know, Facebook's got to protect themselves, to protect their reputation, and also protect their customers. So if you have no listing limit, which is probably most of you, then that will be because your Facebook account is already established. It's got a history with Facebook, probably a few years old, got pictures, maybe some posts, kind of, you know, friends, you're in some groups, that kind of thing. You're established, you've kind of proven that you're a real person. Facebook trusts you basically. But so if your account is brand new and you do have a listing limit, all you've got to do really is basically prove to Facebook that you're a real person, a genuine person, that they can trust you. There's a few ways to do that. One way is being active on Facebook Marketplace. So you might only have a listing limit of 1 or 10 or however many it is. Basically just list that item. You know, list it for cheap, even somewhere where people are going to message you, and just kind of be interactive, interact with people. And Facebook can even ask you at some point, have you sold this item? And you can click yes, or even you can jump the gun and just click on I have sold this item before they even ask you. And you know, you don't even have to have sold the item to click on I have sold it. Facebook doesn't check. It's just, I don't even know why they ask it really, just to gather data, I guess. But yeah, just kind of click show that you're active. Yes, I sold it, you know, unlist it even, list a new one, and even be active in the sense that act like a buyer. Even if you have no intention to buy anything, go on other people's listings, message them, have a little chat. Even if you've got no intention to buy this thing, whatever, just do it anyway, just to kind of get your account rolling, give it a bit of history, a bit of traction. And of course, use your public profile, just, you know, add some pictures every now and again, a post, join some groups, be interactive in the groups. So yeah, just act like a person, and then Facebook will trust you. The algorithm, something will happen with the algorithm, and then basically your listing limit will raise. And so I haven't actually been in this position, but I've spoken to a few people, and I think it's like, it might take a week, might take 2 weeks. There's no exact number of how many weeks, you know, it will be raised, but yeah, that's what you do. If you're in that position, act like a normal person, and then your limit will go up in no time. All right, so thank you for watching this video. I'm going to leave it here. If you haven't checked out my free training yet, that's in the description below. Just click that link. You're going to learn the foundation of dropshipping. You're going to learn how to list well, so that buyers want to click on your items and message you to buy them. And you're going to learn how to make sales in Facebook Messenger. So click that link. Free training, really good. It's helped a lot of people. And if you're serious about making a proper income dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace, then you want to check out my course. The link to that again is in the description. You'll learn how to make £100 a day. I'll show you all my best suppliers, how to easily find the hottest items on the internet, list them up onto your Facebook Marketplace account, optimize them so that people click on them, so that they entice people, you know, with a great description, everything like that. And I show you how to turn these messages when people are interested into sales. I give you my message script. I give you all my sales training, how to just basically make sales on Facebook Messenger. It's very in depth. It's over an hour long, just that particular part on how to make sales. So I'll see you there. And also, if you want to contact me, the best way to do that is to, again, click the link below to join the free Facebook group, free Facebook dropshipping Facebook group, and I'll be there. It's basically, you know, even if you don't want to contact me, join the group anyway. It's where you can basically find out the best information, ask all your questions, and yeah, see you there.